Hello friends, you're watching Rise of Man in 100 million. Swagata karo hamara. Friends, one request. Please watch this video until end. Then only you gonna understand what I am actually going to say. If you watch in the middle, you gonna uh, understand nothing. All you're gonna do is judge me. And one more thing, whatever I'm going to say is it's my opinion, not a judgment. Okay, it's my opinion, not a judgment. And please, for the God's sake, respect everybody's opinion. Okay, and please watch this video until end. Then only you guys go, you friends gonna understand. Please, thank you, and I'm sorry for the late video. Let's begin the video. Friends, 30 movie reviewers. Let's begin with the example. I'm gonna make a movie. And then I'm gonna visit a house to house. I'm gonna give an invitation. Then I start warning a people. If you do not watch the movie, I'm gonna kill you. Is this a wrong or right? Of course, it's a big wrong, right? Nobody have a right to force anybody to watch this movie. People have a choice whether they want to watch it or not, right? People have a choice. It's their individual choice if they want to watch the movie or not. The thing is, in the name of movie, I mean, so-called movie reviewers are doing total chutiapa. Matlab kuch bhi. I mean, friends, please do not judge me. Please try to understand what I am saying. What is the main purpose of watching movies? For entertainment, right? And good message, I agree. But if there is no good message in the movie, it's okay. We can take it as an entertainment and we can forget it. No need to take too personal. But what to do? Our movie reviewers, so-called movie reviewers, are taking movies so personal. They are not doing their professional movie review. They just humiliating movie and insulting, dragging, criticizing the Bollywood. See, I don't have problem with who they like or not. I don't have problem in it because it's their choice. If I don't like something, it's my choice. It's okay. But if you do not like something, what you have to do? What is your first step you have to do? If you do not like something, what is the first step you have to do? Ignore it. You must ignore it. Not spreading hatred or propaganda. That is not an ethical. That is not a dharma. Nowadays people are like, I'm seeing that there is one woman, 1 million subscriber. What she's doing is, in the name of movie review, she is spreading hatred and propaganda. Her main target is Bollywood. And one more thing, in the name of our movie review, indirectly, not directly, indirectly, she's calling a female actress a whore or bitch. Indirectly, she's calling whore or bitch. Unfortunately, our audience are like, they're believing it. It's like they don't have their own fucking brain, and they keep their brain in the toilet and watch our movie review. Seriously, guys, come on. And the stupid thing what she did is, in one of her video, she literally shaming female actress dresses and criticizing Salman Khan and other Bollywood actors. I mean, who gave a right to criticize a? What is her problem if someone wearing their dress with their choice? It's their choice. Let them wear the dress, whatever makes them happy, whatever makes them comfortable. Who is she to judge them? She's wearing a dress which makes her comfortable. Let her respect other people's choice. If other woman, if she actress or not, if she wear any type of dresses, it's her choice. It's her choice. Everybody have a right to wear dress which makes them happy and comfortable. It's nobody have a right to judge anybody. And criticizing Salman Khan, which doesn't make any sense. So why Salman Khan is targeted, I don't know. He's a great person. He's a great human being. Yes, his nowadays his movies are not doing well, unfortunately. That's all depend upon, sometime good. It's life is all about good luck and bad luck. Sometimes bad luck happens, and I hope in the future he give his movie will earn very good money and it will be blockbuster. And friends, please, no, one more thing I want to say. I know there is a dark side in Bollywood. I know there is a dark side in Bollywood. Let me say something. I worked in so many companies. I worked in. I go on around the world. I work in cruise ships. Friends, let me say something. Everywhere there is a dark side and a light side. Everywhere there is a dark side and light side. There is nothing perfect in this world. At the same, I don't know why people are so much targeting the Bollywood, especially these so-called movie reviewers. It doesn't make any sense because Bollywood in the Bollywood also those who working are the human beings, and where is the and where there is a humans, there is a selfish, greedy, all those other stupid stuffs. There is a good people and bad people everywhere. Why why everybody is so much targeted Bollywood just because for Sushant Singh Rajput. And one more the thing is, I'm really happy that Sushant Singh Rajput case was submitted to CBI. I hope justice will be served. I hope whatever the truth. I'm not investigator. I don't want to become any detective here. I hope the truth will come out. And friends, all these so-called movie reviewers, they are spreading propaganda and hatred. They are just poisoning your mind, and all they don't care about their audience. All they care is views, getting views and earning money from views. They know the situation. They are taking advantage of the situation. They are taking advantages of our people. They know how Indians are how most of the Indians are sensitive, and they what they're doing is they're fueling into the fire. They are not they are not a positive vibes. They are negative vibes, friends. They are poisoning your mind, friends. The Bollywood movie, web series, these things are just a entertainment. These things are not at all important. Just don't give too much importance on these things. Don't think too much about it. Just take it as an entertainment. If there is a message, then take it. If there is no message, then it's okay. Don't become a slave to such assholes. Don't believe them blindly without knowing the truth of this world. Movies are fictional, friends. Don't spoil your life with frustration. There is so many problem in our country. Poverty, corona pandemic, and developing some of the so many problems. I mean, why you guys, for God's sake, friends, why you guys, I'm requesting you, why you guys so much worried about a fictional? Seriously, why? Nowadays I think these movie I mean these directors, I think they are now afraid to make the movie, I think, because this is seriously, man, this is something I never expected in my life. And be taking these movies too much serious and doing some stupid believing those stupid movie reviewers. Come on, friends, try to understand. At the end, what I want to say you, all these toxic movie reviewers, They know psychology, mindset, and perception of most of the Indians. They are fueling it and poisoning our mind. They don't want to get diverted, and they just want to get attention and get views and make money and just spread it. Please, friends, this is toxic. I hope you got my video. If I explain more, then the video will be too long. Please, and sorry for long video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and comment your opinion in the comment section. Goodbye, friends. Take care.